Welcome back, fellow designers. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to export the comprehensive details of your area as an Excel file. From the Area menu, select Export, where you'll find three options: Sketch, Preliminary, and Final Design. Moreover, you have the flexibility to choose specific layers of products, such as finishing, furniture, and lighting, for export. Next, navigate to the List menu and proceed to download the exported file. Within the exported Excel file, aside from the cover page, you'll find the area image with corresponding code tags, as well as a detailed list of products with component specifications, organized into different sheets. Feel free to make any necessary modifications within the Excel file before printing or saving it as a PDF. You'll be impressed by the comprehensive report generated by Fringe. We hope this video enriches your experience with exploring the Fringe interior application.